All right, guys. So today we are gonna be detailing this Honda CRV. This one here actually is not even dirty, as you guys can see. Just a few things here and there, normal type of conditions, like from my new vehicle. Technically, this is newer vehicle, but anyways, once again, it's not dirty. We have the floor mats over here and all the stuff. But the problem over here was a little mice. How do you call it? Like a rat. Came in here, jumping, and I was kind of going all over the place and stuff like that. So we're gonna be using this one here from Vonixx. This is an antibacterial type of cleaner, so this is what we're gonna use instead to use just general all-purpose cleaner. So that way we are gonna be like, if the rat leaves something or whatever, we're gonna be disinfecting and cleaning at the same time. Here we go. So first thing we wanna do is make sure to wear some gloves. I used to not do gloves all the time, but now I am using gloves all the time because, I don't know, just think about, in this case, we are gonna be cleaning up a place where a rat, or how do you say that? Mouse. There you go. It was like a little raton, So anyways, we are going to be using this. We're going to use this bottle from Meguiars all-purpose cleaner, which is another product that I love to use whenever we are doing interior details. But in this case, this one said it right there. It's antibacterial, some type of cleaning. So that's going to kind of add more value, and we are want to focus on that. So we're going to be doing like a steam clean and all that type of stuff, and using this product as our cleaning type of all-purpose cleaner. So we're going to be mixing it up right now. So we're going to be reading the instructions and everything. So like here, as you guys can see, it tells you, how good is cleaning up and how good is kind of with the bacteria. And you have this here in Portuguese, Espanol, and as well English. So really nice. They do really good job, by giving us all of the information, which I'm not going through because it's going to be a long video. We also have a QR code over here. So I believe this one here is to kind of check any video or whatever, So yeah, really nice. They do really good job with all of their products. And as you guys can see over here, we have a ton of products from them, which we will be using. I already fall in love with some of their products, which is, I got this one here, which I've been using, this one here as well. The one I really love is this one here. There you go. All in one. This one here, I use a lot of this for my mobile jobs because it's kind of like a 3D speed. 3D speed. As you guys know, 3D Speed is a really good product, and this one here, it does almost the same thing, so I really like this one here as well. We have some other products, which is the trim restoration type of kit. That thing is amazing, which is just like the regular bottle that you can apply the product, for any how can I say, like just to do some sort of maintenance. But as well, they do have the one for plastic, which is a coating, which I have it somewhere over here. There you go. This is called V plastic. They have V light and they have V paint, so there is their coatings. We have another one right here as well. We still got to use. I already did use some of the coatings. I did it on it was a Volkswagen T1, really good. And this one here, as you guys can see as well, is a really good product. So as you guys can see, I've been using a ton of their products. The tires shine, all kind of good stuff. But now we're going to be focusing on this product here. So we have our mix done, and once again, we're going to be, actually it looks just like like Meguiars all-purpose cleaner. It was about the same color when you dilute it, and everything. So anyways, we're going to start using this thing right here. We're going to go over the entire vehicle. So All right, so we just got this one here done. We're gonna do the same thing in the entire vehicle, and then we're gonna be steam cleaning, you know, all of this area, the carpet, seats, and everything. So let's go it. Let's go it. Let's do it. Guys, there you go. So the car is being refreshed now. Smell even really nice. It was a little bit of a smell in this car, but now smell really good. Like I say, we did all the carpets. We did some carpet shampoo as well, because you know, we rather go that route. Once again, we spray this product all over the place and we mop it up. And as well, we use our mighty light tempo, which is the one we normally use here at the shop, and as well mobile. That's the one I like. But yeah, you guys see me striking this area here. But yeah, it's looking good. And like I said, this is a new car, pretty new. But that was the only problem. The rat, you know, was kind of going around. Ivan is playing around over here with this little traps. They was all over the place. That thing almost catch me, you know. I was putting my fingers under the seat and almost got me, you know. But anyways, like I say, it's working good. I like this product. It smells good and it does, you know, the job. So I think I see a video from my friend Phil Miranda, which he was doing like a vehicle that was a little pretty dirty. So you guys gonna be able to see in that video how good it is. In this case, unfortunately, you know, it's not heavy stains or anything like that, but I will do some more videos about this product and other vehicles. So all right, stay tuned for more videos like this, guys. Thanks for watching, and like always, take care, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. Let's go.